Right now you're detained because yesterday you had possession of the vehicle that's out there. That's your friend's car yesterday.
I had possession of the car? Oh, you know, like, I've been on my deathbed. I'm 14, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Okay. Look, dude.
I'm not admitting to a goddamn thing.
Okay.
On July 16th, 2023, officers responded to reports of a shoplifting incident at a Ross store involving a man and a woman who allegedly left with clothing and shoes without paying. After investigators documented the suspect's vehicle and reviewed surveillance footage, they spotted the same SUV the following day at a nearby shopping center. What began as a follow-up investigation soon revealed conflicting stories, emotional admissions, and two very different responses when confronted by police.
We've most definitely, I literally just got here.
Okay.
Yeah, come on to the office. I will,
Sounds good. That's her, right?
I think so. It's 149. They may have already been in the store collecting stuff.
Is that him right there? Guy comes from this side, walks across.
Yeah, I think so, yes. Yeah, that's him.
Hey man, I'm Corporal Daskirk, Police Department. Hey, I'm Corporal Daskirk, Police Department. You all right, come and chat with me real quick? Hey man, can you just have a seat on my bumper, please? Just turn around, put your hands behind your back for me. Hey man, you're just being detained right now.
What is he being detained for?
Both of you guys are being detained right now.
Me?
Okay? Yep.
What did I do?
Zach, put your hands together. Hey man, put your hands together. Hey, fingers together, palms together. I'll pick up your cigarette, I promise. Drop your cigarette, palms together. Hey, I will tell you here in a sec. Put your palms together. Sir, don't. No, they aren't. Put your palms together.
Get the fucking things on, bro.
Hey, put your fingers.
What's up, man?
Interlace your fingers.
You still don't you trying to
I'm not trying to
fuck with me, bro. I
Chill.
can't get my palms together, bro.
Chill. I didn't. That's all you have to
Brandon, stop it.
Brandon, it's going to be real quick. We'll let you know what's going on, okay?
And then we're going to be out of these cuffs, right?
We're going to explain to you what's going on and why you're being detained,
I
okay?
didn't do anything.
Hey, man. Hey, right now you're being detained because your vehicle and you were involved in a theft yesterday at Ross here in the city of Kirkland. Okay? Okay. Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay. Anything sharp that's going to poke or stick me?
No.
Okay. Turn around, have a seat.
Can you my feet?
Yeah.
We just picked our friend up from the fucking, we live in Everett.
I know.
You guys are fucking nuts.
I'm not nuts, man. Cause
We live all the way in Everett, dude.
I know.
I was dropping my fucking kids off at camp yesterday, bro. What the fuck you mean, bro?
Just let him talk.
Get the fuck out of here. Nah, f that.
Let him talk.
Chill.
You got me fucked up, bro.
Not right now, man. I'm gonna read you
No,
these.
bro. You ain't gonna
Miranda
release
as well.
shit.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. If there is time, talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. Now, before a higher lawyer want to be appointed to represent you before questioning you wish to decide any time to exercise these rights or not, answer any questions or make any statements. You understand that, Brandon?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Brandon. Here's the deal. Yesterday, yeah, just go chat with her over there. Right now, right now you're detained and you're not free to leave.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're not free to leave, but you're not under arrest. I am detaining you.
For what?
Okay. So yesterday,
Yeah.
a male matching your description.
Can you get my lighter? Can I get my cigarette?
Yeah.
How many males rest my cigarette?
Hey, chill,
ponytail.
Chill.
Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Let me explain. Let me
Outta here,
explain.
bro.
Hey, I'm going to explain it all to you, but you gotta let me explain it to you.
Can I get my light?
Yeah.
I need a light. We don't have an issue.
Hey, I'm willing to work with you on this,
Sure, my man got a red
but
light
chill.
on him.
Chill.
It's gonna be fucked up, bro.
Hey, I will explain everything to you, but you gotta chill for me, okay, Brandon? Okay. Where's your lighter? Which pocket?
Bro,
Which
give me
pocket?
my light.
No.
Don't work. Give me my other one.
So you're saying you had this vehicle yesterday, it wasn't in the city at all? Your car?
No, I was dropping my fucking kids off at camp.
Yes, it was in the city yesterday.
The car was.
Yes, because my friend, who's in the store right now, came here to get groceries.
Was he with your friend yesterday, or was it just your friend with the car?
It was just my friend in the car.
Your car?
No, it's not.
Whose
It's
car
her
is it?
car.
Her car. Okay. So you're saying that.
Get out of here, man.
Hey.
I ain't gonna
Hey, Brandon.
doing shit, bro.
Chill.
Always driving that car. You got me fucked up.
Hey,
I'm a tattoo artist, bro. I do tattoos.
I appreciate that.
I get bread for doing with this right here on your arm.
You-
I look like it, and I'm not high, bro.
Hey, I'm not saying
I'm
you're
not high. Smoke weed, bro.
Chill.
Get out of here.
Chill. Hey, Brandon, chill. Chill.
Give me my cigarette, my light,
hey.
man.
Have a seat. Chill out. This vehicle was involved in using a theft yesterday, buddy. And that's why I'm trying to figure out whose car is it. Because it was used.
My light.
It was used in a theft yesterday. It was.
It's not a car.
Huh?
It wasn't using a theft yesterday. I can tell you that right now.
Okay. Let me show you the picture. Hey, and then you tell me. You tell me if I'm lying. Okay? I'll show you the picture yesterday, okay? And then you tell me if I'm lying, all right? Let's see here.
How many blue f***ing Tahoes are there out there? Get the f*** out of here, bro.
Hang on.
You got a light?
Hey, check this out. How many blue Tahoes have the same license plate and sticker on them, bro? Right? So
that
chill.
wasn't our car.
That is your car. I'm looking at it, man.
If it is, they got the wrong f***ing car.
Katie was driving yesterday, remember?
Chill. So right now you're being detained while I investigate this because the car was used in the theft. All right?
Can I get my light, babe?
Gurk, you got a light for him?
Yeah, but it won't light. I need a jump start.
Hey, why don't you go see if you can find him a lighter over there? She'll let you get a lighter. So you're saying you weren't in this car yesterday?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. You said you're dropping your kids off in Toledo?
Yeah, I dropped the kids off and this got tourists.
Okay. Not your car?
Yeah.
Hey, Gurky, why don't you stand with him real quick for me, okay? Yesterday, your car was involved in a theft here in the city of Kirkland. So let's go with you saying, hey, it's not him or it's not Brandon, it's not you. So who was it?
My friend that's in the store, probably. She took my car yesterday.
Okay.
I can't.
1 King 3, I'll take one more here, please.
I don't want, I'm not going down for something that she did.
Yeah, she did. And I'll tell you what. Well, he's giving me a bunch of lip. I'm going to show you the proof that it was your vehicle, okay? And you can tell me if I'm lying. How's that sound? Hey, is that your car with the fuck around sticker and the same license plate right here? Yeah. So right now, you guys are my theft suspects, right? Until I know otherwise.
Well, she's in the store right now getting her medicine, but I don't want it to be known that I told that it was her, not me.
Okay. She a bigger gal?
Yeah.
Bleach blonde hair? Okay. Okay.
Babe, just hold on a second. Can we get out of the cuffs, please?
No, not until I figure out everything that's going on, okay? So, it was her and some other male, and you're saying it's not Brandon? Who was she with yesterday?
I don't know.
So you're saying that you load her your car?
Yes.
But
she doesn't have a car.
She doesn't have a car, so
and
you load her car.
she has kids, and so I sat at home with the kids because we got all the kids ready to go to camp yesterday.
She was with like a bigger, maybe Hispanic male, kind of like Brandon, but instead of like the nice, neat tail, you just had long hair just flowing down. Does that match the description anybody you know of hers?
No.
Okay.
And she didn't tell me she picked anybody up, so I honestly don't know. I was focused on getting my kids ready for camp. She said she needed to go get groceries. And I really need you to look at the footage because I was not present. And you can run my name. I've never been charged.
Well, I don't know if you were present or not because it's your car. You're saying it's your car, right? I saw 2 people in the store, but I saw this car take off.
Yeah, and he was not present
and
either.
He was not present.
She'll tell you
but
that.
But she was.
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
Well, if my car was here, obviously, and she came to get groceries, so that's the safe way she went to.
So it's a Hispanic female, heavier set, bleach blonde hair. Okay. And they're claiming that, oh, that's the gal who got the car yesterday. She's here getting medication, but she's saying that's the theft subject. That matches the subject more than this gal does, but he still matches a male. But she says, no, this gal will tell you that it wasn't this male, so I want to go grab her. Okay. And I have PT for at least her, and maybe him, but I'm going to chat with her.
I'll go this door and we'll connect through.
Yeah.
Tonsillitis.
Well, I have to take it.
So you just have to go get your prescription
I have to get these, yeah.
Okay.
I literally just got out the hospital.
Okay. So
is that okay if you walk me over there?
So two things real quick. One, you're being audio and video recorded. Okay. Second one, you were just so you know, not free to leave. You're part of a criminal investigation right now at this point. This is Corporal Ness. I believe he has a case with you.
Okay.
I'm Corporal Ness. Just before we go any further, I gotta read you a couple things here, okay?
You want to do it over there?
Do I want to?
Away from
everybody?
Well, it doesn't matter, I guess.
Yeah. Just let you know you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say accused against you in court of law. Right. This time, talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while being questioned. Now, for a higher role, a lawyer won't be appointed to represent you before questioned if you wish. So I exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements.
Oh wait, I'm gonna put in my purse.
I'm just gonna not touch your phone or anything right now until we check.
Right now
you're detained because
I literally just
yesterday
got out of the hospital.
You had possession of the vehicle that's out there. That's your friend's car yesterday?
I had possession of the car. Oh, you know, like I've been on my deathbed, right? Like,
I mean, deathbed or not, you matched the exact video footage of a theft that occurred at Ross yesterday in our city with that car and you talking to the loss prevention officer. I'm sure you remember it, so I just want you to be honest and tell me what happened.
talking to a loss prevention officer?
Yeah, on your way out. I don't think you realize he's loss prevention. So tell me what happened yesterday with all that.
Sir, seriously.
Yeah.
I honestly am very ashamed right now. I don't really have anything to say.
Okay.
But can I please at least get my prescriptions? Because if you're going to take me to jail, can I at least...
Yeah, we'll work through that, but talk to me about yesterday.
I just said I'm ashamed of what happened.
I know you're ashamed of what happened. So what happened to all the merchandise you stole from Ross yesterday? Is it still in the car?
This is just a lot right now.
I know it's a lot.
This is a lot. This is a lot
Okay.
process.
Why don't you answer my question? Is there any merchandise that when you stole some like kids' shoes and stuff? I get it. You probably got family and you're taking care of them. But where's that merchandise now? Is it in the car or is it at home somewhere else?
It's gone.
It's gone.
It's like, it's gone. Whatever you've seen, I have 4 kids. They went to camp.
Okay. See, these are things I need to know, right? Right. I can understand people fall in hard times.
But it doesn't mean that it's right, right?
Right. That's right. And I appreciate that you're being honest with me now. The next thing I want you to be honest with me about is who was with you.
I really need to pay my attention.
Yeah, we'll go get them. But who was with you yesterday? Was it the male that's out there right now? Was Brandon with you?
I don't know what to say.
Man, now it's time to be honest. We're looking for real honesty here, right?
I have 4 kids and I'm scared. I'm scared.
Okay. So was it Brandon with you?
I don't even know him. I know my friends.
Okay. Who was the gentleman with you yesterday? Was it the gentleman out in the car with you today? Yeah. Is that a yes? Yeah. Can you just say yes to me?
I'm just scared. I'm scared. Because I have 4 kids. I'm scared right now. Okay, I'm sorry.
Right, but your honesty goes a long way with me right now, right? It's the difference between me keeping you in jail or taking you to jail or criminally citing you because you got medical issues, right? And 4 kids at home. But I need your honesty about everything that happened yesterday, okay?
Yes.
So, the gentleman Brandon, guy with the
I know him,
hair
yeah.
but he was with you yesterday. And he was the male who stole the items from the store, correct?
Oh.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And you also stole items from the store, yes?
I don't want to lie and get myself in more trouble.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you? Okay.
It's like,
Well, I saw an ID in there.
Did you?
Yeah. Is that not what you... I thought it was an ID.
I'm shaking.
It's okay. Can I look?
I know
It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
People make mistakes and we learn from them.
No, it's not okay, though. Give me a second. I just had to go pick up the pills, so... Here it is.
1 King 30.
I have to go get my pills, so...
All right, let's go get your pills, okay? My officer here will walk with you. You got it with her?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to go back out.
Yeah, I'll take her outside.
Cool. All right, I'll see you out there.
Are you guys taking him?
So, chat with your friend. She's under arrest too. My partner's in there with him. But she's advising that she, along with Brandon, were both in Ross yesterday. So,
Ross.
yeah, here in Kirkland. And they got stuff for the kids to go to camp. And that's what they stole.
Oh, no.
Clearly, she and Brandon were both in on this yesterday. So, Clearly, you're not the person I'm looking for, so I appreciate your honesty with me. Appreciate her honesty. I'm going to talk to Brandon, but right now Brandon's going to be under arrest for the theft as well.
Of here and somewhere else?
Of here? Did he steal anything from here?
No, I thought that's what we were in the parking lot from, stealing from Safeway.
No. Yesterday, your car's involved in a theft at Ross.
You didn't say that. You said Safeway.
I said Safeway. I thought it was Safeway.
Yeah,
Okay.
No worries.
Yeah, I told him yesterday. So it sounds like they got shit for the kids to go to camp. So I'm going to go chat with him, and then she unfortunately got all these medical stuff, looks like, so she might not be coming with me, but we'll figure that out as well, okay? She might have stuff. We might still take her in to get fingerprinted photographed, but release her today just because of her medical issues.
Can he get released today too?
He lied to me. So I'm going to go chat and give him a chance to be honest with me.
Okay, I'm going to tell you something right now. Like I told him, he does not have a good background of police being nice, okay?
I
Racial
get that.
profiling, racism, it's...
Well, but today he's already lied to me because he did commit a crime, and he is the one who committed the crime in our city. So he had his chance to be honest with me then about it, right? So, okay.
Yeah, but he doesn't need to go to jail either. He's on Suboxone, okay? He's out of his meds. His appointment's tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. If we miss that, he's screwed.
Well, we'll go chat and we'll see how honest he is with me. Okay.
Because he's not going to be honest.
I'm going to lay it out in front of him and then go from there. Now's your chance to be honest with me here, because I had a lengthy conversation with her in the store, right? About the gal who was also involved in this theft yesterday, right? And
Wasn't involved in shit.
what do you think she told me about the theft yesterday?
I don't think she was involved in shit either.
Okay.
I don't know what the f*** you guys are talking about. Probably got the wrong cars on.
Okay, if you're not going to be honest with me and given this chance here, then today you're going to jail.
Be honest for what? What do you want me to do?
About the theft yesterday.
You want me to say I broke the law so you can take me to jail? No.
I already know you broke the law, Brandon. But
say shit. You got me f***ed up. You got the wrong f***ing car. Leave me the f*** alone. Leave me out of it.
Let's pull him out searching. All right, Brandon, you're under arrest yesterday for theft.
You.
Okay, because you committed a theft yesterday here in our city. So step out. We're going to pat you down here.
You want me to admit to some shit?
I do.
So that's fucking no.
Okay.
Babe, give me my phone and shit. I'll be calling you. Bail me the f*** out. Whatever. This bullshit. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. You go write me a f***ing ticket. There's my ID if that's gonna happen. Yeah.
And they're honest, right? Like, look, hey, man.
Honest.
Hey, listen to me.
Please.
Hey, Brandon. Right.
Please, nigga, you got me f***ed up.
Look, dude.
I'm not admitting to a goddamn thing.
Okay.
Prove it.
Okay. Well, see, your partner here told me the truth and told me exactly what happened and why. That you guys needed stuff for the kids' camps, which I can understand, right? If you're not making as much money.
It is what it is, bro. I'm not gonna snitch. I'm gonna snitch myself.
Okay. All right. Well, right now you're booked into custody for theft. That's what's happening today. No, it's too late now.
Yeah.
I gave you a chance to be honest, and you told me that
Whatever, bro. I'm like, yeah, these are the goes arounds the police play with motherfuckers to take them to jail,
dude,
bro.
you lied with
Whatever.
me, man.
Get the f out of here
You
and take me
lied.
to jail, then,
Why'd
bro.
you lie?
F you, dude. For real, man.
Like, it's
Don't
so
play
obvious
games
it's
with
your
me.
car.
Don't play games with me. There's hella fucking cars like that.
Not with a sticker that says
Other
find
niggas
out
like
with the
that.
same
What the
license
fuck
plate,
ever,
buddy.
bro. Whatever. I'm not gonna argue with you, bro.
I mean, you are.
I gotta argue with my fucking kids.
Okay. All right. Which car is yours?
Got any more warrants?
Yeah, you got one out of Everett for criminal trespass.
Yeah.
but
So you
I'm
know
not
I'm
worried
going
about
to jail.
that. No, Everett doesn't usually meet other warrants, so I'm not worried about Everett warrants.
In criminal trespass.
Yeah,
That's
I'm not.
another fucking punk ass.
The investigation ended with both suspects facing shoplifting charges, but their outcomes differed significantly. After admitting her involvement and cooperating with investigators, the woman was booked and released due to her medical condition. The man, however, continued denying his role despite investigators presenting evidence linking him to the theft, and he spent the night in jail. As with all criminal cases, the charges discussed are allegations unless proven in court. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and law enforcement encounters.